actually going to show you how to make smash burgers using a high indoor, or sit back and listen to your neighbours mow their lawns. Watch your feet. Smash burger. I say it every week, that should be illegal. Hi, welcome to Schuey's Barbecue, where you'll learn the tips and tricks to master your grill. Now today, I'm actually going to show you how to make smash burgers. Now if you do like this video, don't forget, give me the thumbs up, share it with your mates. But the best thing you can do is hit that hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Those two things, one, are going to allow you to see all my videos as they come up. Because unlike some people think, I am not going to ring you up personally and say, hey, uploaded a new video. Costs you nothing, do it, you'll see all my videos. Cheers, let's get into it. That's right, today I'm making smash burgers, and the best way to make these burgers is you need to use a fatty type of beef. Now I've chosen brisket and chuck steak. Why? Because they both taste good and they're fatty. And to save me mincing them up, I've actually gone into my local butcher and got them to do one pass through in their grinder, a coarse mix. And again, I can't recommend enough that you get to know your local butcher. They're only too happy to help you out, so get to know them and ask them for a bit of help. Then all I've done is I've got home with the mince and I've weighed them out into 100-gram portions and just rolled them into balls. Yes, I got more than 200 grams done up, but I'm only cooking one burger today. Today, I'll be setting up a 57 centimetre Weber kettle, and I'm going to be using a high I'll be using a high direct heat and I'll be using a hot plate, a JG Barbecue 50/50 grill to be precise. While waiting for your charcoal to warm up, it's always good to start a hobby. You get a few minutes every cook. Or sit back and listen to your neighbours mow their lawns. I love doing that. Rightio, first is gloves, safety. And those who have been following me can see I'm still using the same old grotty gloves. Light up a full chimney of briquettes. Watch your feet. Dump all of that in there. Whoop, sparks. Okay, so briquettes into two baskets on one side of the cooking grill. My grill, JG Barbecue, put the solid part directly over the heat. Put the lid on, all vents open. We'll let that warm up for about 10 minutes. And it seems Lawnmower Man's back with aggression. Lucky me. The grill's well over 300 degrees, so we are ready to smash some burgers. So I'm going to want to smash these burgers down, hence they're called smash burgers, with a burger smasher. Just spreads them out. We get more crust on the outer part of the burger patty. All right, we just need to oil that grill first and spread the oil a little bit. Now we just need to put on the burger patties, and we want to hear that sizzle. Now we just want to give them a good sprinkle of salt. Now we need to use the burger smasher. Now I'm using baking paper, it just makes it a bit easier. Fair bit of pressure. There we go. Other one. How's that? Maybe a bit more on that one. And maybe that one, just one more. Yeah, that's good. Now you can see it, once the burger patty starts showing signs of liquid forming on top, they're pretty much ready for the flip. We do that, and then we need to chuck on some cheese. I'm just using some good old cheddar. That'll melt. Burger patties over this side, that hot plate's nice and hot everywhere. Lid on to help that cheese melt. Alright, we're cooking at a high direct heat today, and that grill's going to be around 300 degrees Celsius. These burgers aren't going to take long. You're looking at no more than 10 minutes for the cook. Or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Woohoo! Burger bun is toasted and cheese is looking good. So let's get these going. Bottom bun, some Kewpie mayo. That's Japanese mayo. It absolutely tastes awesome. One burger patty. Two burger patty. Now, finish it off. Bit of mustard. I'm going to pour some of that in the bin, because you always get some of that gunky water and I hate it. So, mustard. Thick ketchup. New bottle. And new bottle of sauce. Let me know in the comments. We had this argument in our house. Once I've opened that, should I put that in the fridge or the pantry? Okay, so every time I go for a new bottle, I mean, that's why I went down and brought that the other day. I couldn't find the bottle. I looked in the pantry, it's not there. I looked in the fridge, it's not there, because everyone in the family puts it somewhere different. So, some ketchup, and finally finish it off with some pickles. Now, if you don't like pickles, don't add it, okay? I don't care. Like, I like pickles, so I'm gonna put them on there. I know some people don't. I know some of my kids will take them out. Okay, that is a basic smash burger. So there's the burger in all its glory. Basic smash burger. It is hard to beat making a good burger, but once you nail these smash burgers, you'll be making them every week. And it is pretty hard to beat that nice crusty beef, that melted cheese, all those sauces, that sweet crunch of the pickle, if you like it, okay? But you just can't realistically. I say it every week, that should be illegal. Okay, thanks for watching. If you do like free stuff, check out my Instagram for giveaways and extra content. As always, cheers.